Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how you find primary sources and original research for your science-based research project. I'm going to start at libraries.santarosa.edu. I'm going to go to Smart Search and type in a topic keyword, and we have 6,000 results. I'm going to include, so click to the left of peer-reviewed articles, because I do not want books. They're often not primary, and I don't want other source types that are not primary original research. I'm also going to go down to resource type, and we know that review articles are secondary because they comment on the original research. So I'm going to click to the right where it says exclude review articles. So you see that there's a check with an X through it and apply filters. So we go from 6,000 results to 5,000 results. And I'll note that this is not a perfect process. So you'll still have to look at these sources and see for yourself if they're primary or secondary. I'm going to click the title and then go down to the database, EBSCOhost, Academic Search Complete. And then I'm looking at the actual article. And the first one I find is about Phytophthora cinnamomi. I see academic authors within this topic. And I see the word summary, and I'm kind of concerned because the word summary often is associated with reviews or secondary sources. So I'm going to slow down and read this summary. It sounds kind of like an encyclopedia article. And then I come to this sentence, the aim of this review. So I know now this may be very helpful to my understanding, but this is a secondary source because of the word review. It's describing itself as review. I'm just going to double check myself. I'm going to look for the words materials, Control F, and I do not see a section about materials. I do not see a section for methods, although I find the word several times. So this is a review article about other original research articles done. And one more check, I'm looking for the word results. And again, I find it in the body, but it is not in a full section discussing this article. It's discussing other articles. So we know this is a secondary source. So we don't want that one. I'm going to go back to my results list, X this out. I see that my peer-reviewed articles filter is on. I see that it's still excluding review articles. I'm going to go to the next one here. About mitochondrial genome sequencing. Go down to the same database. And the first thing that I notice is the word abstract. So this is an executive summary, often of original research. So this is a good sign. I'm reading the abstract and the introduction to see if it's applicable to my topic, and I'm trying to decipher if it's a primary or secondary. This sounds like a primary original research, but I'm going to double check it and look for the materials section. This time I have one result with materials and methods, and it's commenting on their original research. Let's see if we have a secondary check, results in discussion about this original research. So this is a primary source. So in short, type in a keyword Then turn on the active filters for peer-reviewed articles, exclude review articles, but you know now that they are not all tagged correctly in the library search, so you'll still have to double check it by looking for keywords of materials and methods and the results and discussions. So you do not want those. If you're looking for secondary sources and you do want methods and materials, results and discussion as headings for your primary sources.